Blessed are those who have regard for the weak. The Lord delivers them in times of trouble. The Lord protects and preserves them. They are counted among the blessed in the land. He does not give them over to the desire of their foes. The Lord sustains them on their sick bed and restores them from their bed of illness. I said, have mercy on me, Lord, heal me, for I have sinned against you.
All my enemies whisper together against me, but may you have mercy on me, Lord, raise me up. I know that you are pleased with me, for my enemy does not triumph over me. You uphold me and set me in your presence forever. Praise be to the Lord from everlasting to everlasting. Hashbach layaha me'olam ad olam. Praise be to the Lord from everlasting to everlasting. Amen.